What if the next world war doesn't begin with bombs, but with algorithms? Right now, a silent war is being fought. A war for control over artificial intelligence, the most powerful weapon mankind has ever created. And at the center of it, China versus the United States. One wants to lead, the other wants to dominate. This is not science fiction. It's already shaping your future.
AI isn't just about robots or smart assistants. It's about power, control, surveillance, war. Whoever leads in AI will control the economy, the military, and the minds of billions. In 2021, Russian President Vladimir Putin warned, whoever becomes the leader in AI will become the ruler of the world. US and China both heard him loud and clear.
In 2017, China announced its goal
To become the world leader in AI by 2030. Within 5 years, they invested over $150 billion in AI infrastructure. China already controls the world's largest data pool. Over 1.4 billion citizens monitored 24/7. With super surveillance cities, social credit scores, and AI-powered censorship, China is building a digital empire.
The US isn't backing down. Backed by companies like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, Palantir, and Microsoft, America leads in advanced AI models. Military projects like Project Maven and DARPA's AI Next campaign aim to weaponize AI for real-time battlefield decisions. The Pentagon knows this is the new Cold War. The new kind of espionage is unfolding. The US accuses China of stealing tech secrets. In 2020 alone, the FBI opened more than 2,000 cases related to Chinese espionage. Huawei, TikTok, and several Chinese firms are under US scrutiny. China fires back, claiming the US uses companies like Meta and Google to spy globally. It's not just a tech war, it's a blame game with real-world consequences. China is reportedly testing drone swarms that operate with no human control. The US is developing AI fighter jets under its Skyboard program. The rules of war are being rewritten by machines.
Taiwan isn't just a flashpoint for conflict. It's home to TSMC, the world's most advanced semiconductor manufacturer. AI runs on chips, and without Taiwan's silicon brains, neither China nor the US can dominate. That's why both nations are pouring billions into chip development, and that's why Taiwan's future could ignite a global AI war. While governments build weapons, corporations build control. China's social credit system tracks every step, while the US uses data mining for marketing, surveillance, and behavior manipulation. In this AI war, you are the battlefield. Every like, scroll, face scan, and voice command feeds the system. The question is, who owns you? Elon Musk's Neuralink is just the beginning. China is also developing brain-computer interfaces in secret military labs. The future war might not be between nations, but between organic intelligence and synthetic control. Are we becoming gods or slaves? The AI war has already begun, not with missiles, but with machines, minds, and misinformation. The US and China are playing a dangerous game, and the prize is nothing less than global domination. The real question isn't who wins, it's this: when AI rules the world, who will rule the AI?